How much should you actually spend on a stainless steel rice cooker? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Aroma Digital Rice Cooker. First up is the Aroma Digital Rice Cooker. Priced at just $36.97, this little gem caught my eye with its sleek stainless steel exterior and a solid 4.5-star rating from over 64,800 reviews. If you want perfectly cooked rice without the fuss, this is worth a serious look. The Aroma features easy-to-use programmable digital controls and an automatic keep warm mode. What's cool is that it can prepare anywhere from 2 to 8 cups of rice, which is perfect if you're cooking for a family or just for yourself. Plus, it even has a steam tray for veggies or meat while your rice cooks below. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With sensor logic technology, it automatically adjusts the temperature to ensure your rice comes out fluffy and flavorful every time. Now, some people complained about the size, saying it's a bit small for larger families. Here's the thing though, if you typically cook for just 2 or 3 people, this size can actually be a plus, as it takes up less counter space and is easier to clean. This is perfect for you if you're living solo or cooking for a small family. Skip this one if you often need to serve a crowd, but honestly, for the price, it's a great deal for everyday use. Now, if the Aroma's capacity didn't quite fit your needs, this next one might be the answer for those who want a bit more versatility. Product number 2, Instant Pot Duo Plus. Next up is the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 multi-cooker, coming in at $79.99. With a stellar rating of 4.6 stars from 52,900 reviews, it's clear this model is a favorite. If you want a rice cooker that does it all, this is definitely worth your attention. The 6-quart capacity is perfect for families, allowing you to whip up meals quickly up to 70% faster than traditional methods. The durable stainless steel pot is ideal for searing and sautéing, which makes this model stand out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With 15 customizable smart programs, you can tackle everything from soups to cakes without feeling overwhelmed. However, some users found it a bit complicated at first with all the functions. But once you get the hang of it, this cooker can seriously simplify your meal prep. This is perfect for busy families or anyone who loves to cook a variety of dishes. Skip this one if you're looking for a simple, no-frills rice cooker, but for what you get, it's a fantastic value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for smaller households. Product number 3, Instant Pot Duo Mini. Now let's talk about the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Mini Electric Pressure Cooker, priced at $59.99. With an impressive 4.7-star rating from over 185,200 reviews, this is another crowd pleaser. If you're in a cozy space or just cooking for 2, this is worth considering. It's perfect for small households or side dishes while still boasting 11 one-touch smart programs. The stainless steel pot makes it easy to clean, and you can cook meals up to 70% faster than traditional methods. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're short on space but still want a high-quality cooker, this mini version really delivers without taking up much room. On the downside, some users mentioned it's not ideal for larger meals. If you often host gatherings, you might find it a bit limiting. But for everyday cooking, especially for couples or singles, it's a perfect fit. This is perfect for you if you're living alone or have a small family. Skip this one if you frequently cook for a larger group, but for convenience, it's a solid buy. Now, if you want something truly premium, let's move to our next choice. Product number 4, Zojirushi Micom Rice Cooker. Next is the Zojirushi Micom 3-cup compact rice cooker, priced at $189.77. With a rating of 4.7 stars from 8,000 reviews, this model is a premium option. If you're serious about your rice and want top-notch quality, this is worth a look. This rice cooker is compact yet versatile, capable of cooking as little as half a cup of rice or oats. The special settings for brown rice and steel-cut oatmeal are real game changers for those who appreciate variety. It even has a built-in retractable power cord, making it easy to transport. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're looking for precise cooking with unique settings tailored to different rice types, this cooker delivers that level of customization. However, the price point might be a bit steep for some. I'll be real with you, it's an investment. But if you prioritize quality and are willing to pay for it, you'll notice the difference in taste and texture. This is perfect for you if you're a rice enthusiast or someone who enjoys gourmet cooking at home. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget, but if you want the best, it has incredible value. Now, if premium features aren't your thing, let's take a look at another versatile option. Product number 5, Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1. Finally, we have the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 electric pressure cooker priced at $109.99. This one also boasts a 4.7-star rating with 185,000 reviews, making it a reliable choice. If you want a solid all-in-one cooker that can handle family meals, this is a strong contender. It's family-sized at 6 quarts, perfect for batch cooking or meal prep. The easy-release steam switch simplifies the cooking process, and it cooks up to 70% faster, which is a huge time saver. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you often need to cook multiple dishes quickly, this model helps you save time and energy. However, some users reported issues with the steam release valve needing cleaning or maintenance. Here's the deal though, this is common for many pressure cookers, and as long as you maintain it, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for families or meal preppers looking for efficiency. Skip this one if you want something simpler, but it offers great value for the range of functions it covers. So there you have it, 5 fantastic stainless steel rice cookers. From the budget-friendly Aroma to the premium Zojirushi, each has something unique to offer. Whether you're cooking for one or the whole family, there's an option here that fits your needs. Happy cooking!